All right, we're doing the Vizzy Seltzer here. It's made from the Coors Company. Gonna be pretty interesting. 5% alcohol. So this is the pineapple mango hard seltzer.
Yeah, and there's several of them. They have a whole bunch of different flavors, and each one has a different kind of vitamin kind of aspect to it.
Healthy.
Like this one's the antioxidant vitamin C one.
Yep. All right. Smells good.
God, I can smell it from here.
Oh, hell.
Totally clear.
Oh,
Ooh.
man.
Mango to the fucking max.
Yeah, I like mango. It's
I don't
be good.
I don't get any pineapple out of that at all.
A little bit, yeah, I do. I definitely do. Just right at the end there with the nose.
Yeah, it's almost more pineapple-y out of that.
Yeah, it's like the mango sets in and it starts turning into the pineapple.
Fragrant, big time.
Oh yeah,
big time.
Jesus,
more nose than maybe any of the other ones.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Whoa, you get both right at the same time. You got the pineapple and the mango, just
and
kind
then
of like
finishes real pineapple.
Yeah, it's like swirl. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's kind of the pineapple's real earthy though, it's almost like a pineapple. God, it's weird. It's almost like a coconut aspect to it.
There is, yeah. Oh yeah,
earthy.
Absolutely, that's a good call. Wow. Yeah, there's a total
Doesn't
coconut.
it have a
Yeah, it's like the mixture kind of makes
a
that
real
coconut
kind of, I don't know, aspect to it.
It just turns into coconut.
It bizarrely
weird.
I mean, there's some mango and there's some pineapple.
Well, yeah, but then even the aftertaste is coconut.
Majorly coconut.
What the fuck?
I don't know about that.
That is weird.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Yeah, it is good, and it's still crisp and refreshing.
Oh,
and,
yeah.
You know, like any kind of seltzer
Real
would
light.
be. The thing about this one, though, it almost has a little bit of sweetness to it as well. Like some of them, every once in a while, we catch one that has kind of a...
Yeah.
Almost like just like a tiny bit of perceptible sweetness or just a little more than just carbonated water.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like the White Claw is carbonated water.
Yeah,
It's
pretty
just
much.
dry.
Yeah.
This one is not as dry.
No, it doesn't dry out.
The flavor and the finish do not match the nose. And in that case, I'm going to pair this with like coconut jasmine rice and shrimp, or a pulled pork with a coconut rice, or some kind of a Hawaiian kind of thing. Fresh catch of the day kind of food, grilled and that sort of deal.
Oh, yeah.
Like a shark or a mahi or
eel.
Yeah, oily like an eel or a sea bass, maybe a little bit. Or I mean, it'd be good with some red rockfish too if you did it right, just Hawaiian style.
Oh yeah,
grilled pineapple and coconut and some mango, and you turn that into like a salsa, with some tomato and some red onion. And
I'm thinking sushi all the way here.
Oh man, it would be good with sushi.
Absolutely.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, that would be good.
Yeah.
Nice ahi tuna, just even seared off with some sesame seeds.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That'd be good.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Smoked salmon skin, like hand roll. And the more I drink, the coconut, it's almost like a soapy aspect.
Yeah, I get that.
It's almost soapy.
Yeah, or
sideways from me.
Yeah,
I mean, it's good, but I don't know, man. It's weird.
It's very confusing for what they say it is.
And it's weirder than I thought it would be.
Yeah.